HTTP functions in PHP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is the protocol by which web traffic is handled. It defines how web pages are formatted and in what way they are delivered over internet. It is the protocol for moving hypertext files across the internet. It is used between a web browser and a server to request a document and transfer its contents. The specification is maintained and developed by W3C. The port number for HTTP is 80. HTTP headers are used to define a variety of qualities about a web object. HTTP headers are nothing but a part of data packet or a frame containing identifying information such as destination, source, message, and its length. The kinds of headers is indicated as follows. Entity header. It contains information about an entity, body, or a resource. General headers applicable for use both in request and in response messages. Request header sent by a browser or other client to a server. Response headers sent by a server in a response to a request. HTTP functions in PHP. These functions let you manipulate the output sent back to the remote browser right down to the HTTP protocol level. The following functions are used in PHP. Header, header underscore list, headers underscore sent, set cookie, and set raw cookie. Coming to header function in HTTP. Header is used to send raw HTTP headers. Now I will give you example of what a HTTP header is and what it contains. Suppose if you want to set a cacheability of a website, HTTP headers are such as cache control, expires, last modified would be used. It also include custom information. Now we will see example for HTTP header. Header function sets the values or custom information to the HTTP. The output is nothing but the values are set to the protocol. Coming to headers underscore list function. Headers underscore list returns a list of response headers sent or ready to send. Headers underscore list will return a numerically indexed array of headers to be sent to the browser or client. To determine whether or not these headers have been sent yet, use headers underscore sent. Headers underscore sent checks if or where headers have been sent. Headers underscore sent will return false if no HTTP headers have already been sent or true otherwise. Now we will see example for headers underscore list function. Now we will set HTTP headers, and with the help of headers underscore list we will retrieve the already information set by HTTP header. The output of the program is as follows. It will give you an array of headers information set. We will see example for headers underscore sent function. Before using headers underscore sent, we will set values for headers with the help of custom information, and we will check whether these headers information have been set or not with the help of headers underscore sent function. The output of the program is as follows. Headers are already sent so that it cannot redirect. Now we will coming to the cookie. A cookie is a piece of information sent by a browser to a user's browser. Cookie may include information such as login or registration, identification, user preferences, online, shopping cart information, etc. Set cookie is the method used to set the value of cookie. It contains the following parameters: name, name of the cookie; value, value of the cookie stored on client computer; expire, the time the cookie expires, it will be in the form of number of seconds; path, path on server in which cookie is available on; domain, the domain that the cookie is available; secure, indicates that the cookie should be only transmitted over a secure HTTPS connection. Set raw cookie is exactly same as set cookie, except that the cookie value will not be automatically URL encoded when sent to the browser. The following example demonstrates how to set the value of cookie. Set cookie, name of the cookie is set test cookie, and its value and time will be in the form of seconds. That is, it expires in 1 hour.